Hello, this is Prateek Kumar. I'm 25 years old. My height is 5'11 and I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I can fluently speak Hindi and English language. I'm a silver medalist in the stream of journalism and mass communication. I have done 4 web series which are on Jio Hotstar, ZEE5 and TVF and 1 feature film, The Taj Story. As lead, I have done 3 independent feature films, 3 Doordarshan Uttarakhand projects and multiple short films as well. I've been a theatre artist since 2016 and played characters such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharati Gert and Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh. I've acted and modeled for various brands in Delhi, Goa and Dehradun. Here are my profiles. I'm also a voiceover artist, anchor and a writer. Thank you.